Wow, big airport. Okay, English, I can do it. Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I fly to London. Where is check-in, please?
Which airline?
British Airways.
British Airways is in Terminal 2. Follow the blue signs for departures or check-in. Go upstairs, then turn right.
Upstairs, then right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need a trolley?
Yes, please.
They are free, just over there.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hello, welcome. May I have your passport and ticket, please? Yes, here you are. Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, one bag. Great. Please put it on the scale. Okay, 18 kilos. That's fine. Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is C12. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice flight.
Hello. Please put your bag, phone, belt, and jacket in the tray.
Okay.
Any liquids or creams?
Yes, small ones. All under 100 milliliters in a plastic bag.
Good. Please walk through. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, my keys, sorry.
Please try again. All clear. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Gate C12. C12. Terminal C.
Excuse me, where is gate C12, please?
Go straight, past the coffee shop, turn left, then follow signs for Terminal C.
Straight, coffee shop, left. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good flight.
Hi, what would you like?
A cup of coffee, please.
Regular or large?
Regular, please.
That's $3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your regular coffee and change. Enjoy.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Flight BA123 to London, now boarding at Gate C.
Hello. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Thank you, Miss Anna. Seat 22A. Window seat. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Is the plane on time?
Yes, we are boarding on time.
Great. Thank you.
Hello, welcome aboard. Your seat is 22A. This way, please. Thank you. Need help with your bag? Yes, please. Here you go. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I have a blanket? Of course. Here you are. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. We are preparing for takeoff.
I did it! All in English. See? Airport English is not difficult. Just remember, be polite. Use excuse me, please, thank you. Speak slowly and smile. You can do it too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English conversations. See you in the next video. Goodbye!